Welcome. If you want to change notification settings on your Realme 5 Pro, let's click on the settings. Then we have to scroll down and enter the app management. And right now we have to click, for example, for the Facebook, tap on the manage notifications, and here we can choose the notifications. We can permanently just turn off this option, but we can also turn on. And here we can change the home screen badge. So there's number badge, dot badge, or just don't show the badge. And this is how it looks. You can manage it for every application that you have on your smartphone. So I did it on the Facebook, but you can also go for the Opera, the Google Play Music, and any other application that you get on your smartphone. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.